Right there. Looks pretty good. Yeah, go for it. Paddle hard. Nope. The set's coming though, so that's good. Kinda want a big one. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. It's a beautiful day. The waves are big. We're ready to get some good ones. I'm out here with my sister today. She hasn't been out for a couple months since she started reading Harry Potter. She basically just locked herself in the house and read them for a bit. So yeah, we got her back. So warming up, but that was a pretty good first wave. I didn't do too good, but the wave was pretty good. So let's get a few more. When we're surfing, you gotta look at the waves and not the shore. There's nothing to look at the shore. The shore's boring. We're looking at the waves. We're surfing.
I was looking straight at that wave because like,
you need to call your own waves now. I've been calling your waves and now you need to call them.
Yeah.
You need to read them. Pay attention. See how deep it is.
Are you filming this?
See how deep it is. Put your hand under the board and then shove yourself down. Oh. Let's go.
Oops, did it wrong.
Did you touch the bottom?
No. But I looked down. It was really murky.
Well, yeah, you're not going to see anything. Just push yourself down. See how deep it is. Last time I was out here, it was really deep.
Yeah.
We were like a little bit over there and it's 12 foot. So I want to know if it's changed.
There's a drop off. It comes even more down. It's probably like 10 feet, 15.
Fine, I'll see. If I look, will you look?
Maybe.
Yeah. Ooh. No. It's not deep. Yeah, about 10 foot. No. No, no. Oh. No. Or. No. No. Behind this one, I think there's one behind this. Oh yeah. Go. Oh, dude. Oh. No. Alright, ow. Oh my goodness. Keep going. Yeah. A big boy. What? How long can I say bounce? Oh, not very long. Oh my goodness. The waves are huge, but they're really slow. So you gotta paddle really hard. Go. No. There's all these humps before the actual wave, so it slows it. No! There's tiny little waves in front of each big one. I was in it, and then that little wave came out and knocked me out. That's so annoying. Go, go, go. Because there's these little waves. There's little ones in front of the big ones. And so you go and you get into the big one, and then that little one then goes to crash. And so you get into the big one, and the little one holds you up and it pushes you back. Because then it builds up to crash, so then it pushes you back. So you have to keep paddling until then you're into the big one and the little one.
How do you stand up? Like, because I'm on my knees until I'm actually down, and then I stand up. But how do you, like, you jump in and then
Well, it's because you stand up and then you drop in, like at a skate park.
No!
Maybe like at a skate park.
Did you know I was coming out?
Yeah.
I saw you, but I didn't know you were coming up behind me.
Maybe like at a skate park, you see how they stand up on their board and then they drop in? That's what you do. You paddle until you're on the edge, and then you stand, you know?
Yeah.
Then you stand up and then you drop in. Oh my gosh! Are you kidding? Oh no. And you run it out. Finally, a good wave. That took way too long. They're way too hard to get. Alright, well, let's see if we can get another one. Ah, not my day. Not my day. Hello, boy.
Here, buddy.
You going in?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get... No, I'll come in. I'll come in. These waves are not on my side today. Oh. Yeah. Maybe I'll come back out tomorrow. Maybe I won't, but I'll see you next week.